In this video, I'll show you how to use a proxy in Janitor AI step by step. First, let's quickly explain what a proxy is. In Janitor AI, a proxy lets you use different AI models, both free and paid, instead of the default one. This gives you a different chat experience and more flexibility. Go to janitor.ai and sign in or create an account. Open any chat. Keep in mind, not all characters support proxies. If you see a forbidden message later, just switch to another character. Inside the chat, click the three lines in the top right corner, go to API Settings, then select Proxy. Choose Custom. Go to openrouter.ai and sign in. Browse the models some are paid and some are free. For this example, choose a free model like DeepSeek v3 Base, copy the model name, and paste it into the model field in Janitor AI. Paste the OpenRouter proxy URL into the API proxy URL field. This URL is the same for all OpenRouter models. Back on OpenRouter, go to Keys, create a new API key, copy it, and paste it into the API key field in Janitor AI. Save it somewhere safe, you'll only see it once. Click Save Settings. If everything is correct, you'll see Using Proxy at the top. Send a test message. If you get an error, refresh the page and try again. And that's it. Your proxy is now set up and working in Janitor AI. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next one.